this lab we're going to be managing backups. First we're going to be performing a manual backup of a local volume to a remote share. Then we're going to be managing a VSS setting, and then we're going to be enabling shadow copies for shared volumes. Now we're going to go to Tools. We're going to go down and go to Windows Server Backup. We're going to go to Local Backup and go to Backup Once. We're going to select different options, click Next. We're going to select Custom, click Next. We're going to click Add Items and expand the C drive. We're going to select Program, Data, and Users and click OK. And we're going to click Next. We're going to select Remote Shared Folder, click Next. Now we're going to type in //server1 /BAK/BAK1. We're going to go ahead and type that in. And now that we're finished typing that in, we're going to click Next and click Backup. And now we're going to right click Start and go to Command Prompt Admin. Now we're going to type in VSS admin space /?. And now we're going to hit Enter. And as you can tell, it has a bunch of different commands supported. And now we're going to type in VSS admin list writers. I'm going to go type that in. Now we're going to type in VSS admin list writers. We're going to go ahead and type that in. We're finished typing that in. We're going to hit Enter. And as you can tell, it brings up writers. We're finished typing that in. We're going to hit Enter. And as you can tell, it has different providers. Now we're going to type in VSS admin list shadows. And we're going to go ahead and type that in. And as you can tell, there's no shadows. I'm going to type in VSS admin list volumes. We're going to go ahead and type that in. Now we're going to hit Enter. And as you can tell, it has different volumes. And now we're going to type in VSS admin list shadow storage. We're going to go ahead and type that in. We're finished typing that in. We're going to hit Enter. And as you can tell, it has the shadow copy storage. And now we're going to exit out of the command prompt. And now we're going to go to the File Explorer. We're going to go to the C drive. We're going to right click and add a new folder. Now we're going to right click and go to New and go to Folder, and we're going to name it Corp Docs. And now we're going to right click Corp Docs and go to Properties. We're going to go to Sharing. We're going to go to Advanced Sharing. We're going to click Share this folder. We're going to go to Permissions and to select Change and click OK. And click OK. And click Close to the Corp Docs. We're going to right click and we're going to add a new text document. We're going to name it agenda.tex. And now we're going to open up the agenda text document. Now you're going to type in your name, and in this case I'm going to type in mine. And we're going to click File and click Save and exit out. And now we're going to exit out of File Explorer and go to Tools. We're going to go to Computer Management, click Disk Management. Now we're going to right click the C drive and go to Properties. We're going to go to the Shadow Copies tab. We're going to click the C drive. We're going to click Enable, and we're going to click Yes. And we're going to select Create Now. And we're going to go to Settings, and we're going to go to Schedule. We're going to set it to do it monthly at 7 AM, and we're going to click OK, and click OK, click OK. Now we're going to exit out of Computer Management. In this lab we have performed a manual backup of a local volume to a remote share. We have managed VSS settings and enabled shadow copies for shared volumes.